we're going to do some more geometry, but now with three-dimensional figures. And again, we've talked about volumes of boxes. We've talked about volumes for cylinders. Remember that one of the things I said, watch, I'm going to draw. Whoa. All right, I'm terrible. Oh, no, Control Z is not working. Anyway, to find the volume of a regular solid, basically means a straight solid. You just multiply the area of the bottom, which is pi times the radius squared here, times the height. So volume is pi times the radius squared times the height. The area of the bottom, length times width, times the height. Hey, look, that's our formula right here as well. Okay, so let's do the next example. We got a website and it's saying that 50, all right, that's too many numbers. There are 50 pound bags of sand, and we need 48 of them to fill a sandbox. And these are the dimensions of the sandbox. 8 by 8, so a square sandbox, that's 1 foot deep. How many bags are needed for a sandbox that measures this measurement? We're going to approach this very similarly to the last one. Let's write down that information. All right, we need 48 bags. They're 50-pound bags. So you could write that down, but I'm just going to write 48 bags because we don't need the number 50. More numbers might just get everything all confused. All right, so 48 bags of 50 pounds of sand. For a sandbox, that's 8 feet by 8 feet by 1 foot. Remember that a single apostrophe is abbreviation for foot. So if you want to write FT, you can. If you want to write an apostrophe, you can. And then just like last time, we need how many bags for a sandbox? That's 6 feet by 4 feet by 1 foot. And very similar to last time, okay, we can't just set a proportion right now. We have to compare apples to apples. So we're talking about volume. Well, it's actually 50-pound bags, so this is weight and volume. So let's calculate this out. How many cubic feet is this? This is 64 cubic feet, and this is 24 cubic feet. Just multiply them all together. Remember, for volume, that's the units cubed. All right, so that's what we've got right here. And now we've got our proportions. So 48 bags for 64 cubic feet is the same ratio as X bags to 24 cubic feet. Oh, this one's nicer than the last problem. Cross multiply, and you're going to get 64X equals 24 times 48. Divide both sides by 64 and use a calculator. I don't know this. We got 24 times, oh, that's the division sign. Nice try, Jason. Times 48 divided by 64. We get 18. Should need 18 bags. 18 50-pound bags. You can include that. 50 pound. 18 bags. I'm just going to say 18 bags is our answer. It's fine. Okay, and that's kind of what we're doing here for these geometry problems. Make sure that things are in the right units, and a lot of times you can set up some proportions. But not all the problems on the homework assignment are going to be exactly the same. So if you see something that's different, ask me about it. And if I get a lot of people asking me the same question, I'll make an announcement or like a general post about it. And then everyone benefits. All right. Oh, I just clicked my pen.